All right, now that our application is Dockerized, the next thing that we want to do is to deploy this application on the cloud server. Okay, or we can call it production server. Okay, so as a production server, I'm using Linode. So to create the Linode account, you simply click on this create a Linode account link, or you can just open it in a new tab. So this is the Linode interface. All right, so Linode is a cloud hosting provider that offers virtual private servers, or you call it VPS. Now Linode is actually a part of Akamai Cloud, so it's popular among the developers and startups, for being simple and developer friendly. And I like this Linode server a lot because it's cost effective and it's fast, and it's easy also. Okay, so I've been using Linode server for more than 2-3 years now. And the best thing about Linode is they will give you $100 credit, which will expire in 60 days. You can just try Linode for 60 days, and 60 days plus 100 days. Okay, so whichever reaches first, then you'll have to start your billing. And of course, I think they will also ask you to connect your credit card or debit card, but they will not charge you. All right, so for that, what you have to do, you have to just click on this. This is a referral link. When you click on this Linode account and create create the account, you will get the $100 free credit, okay, which will expire in 60 days. All right, and the first thing that we want to do is to sign up. Okay, so I already have this Linode account, so that's why I'm going to log in. So what I'll do is I'll actually follow the steps written in the readme.md, so here in the GitHub. All right,